In this video, we're going to talk about 5 steps to finding the absolute best stocks. Yeah! What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here with 5 steps for finding the absolute best stocks. First of all, I think that you really need to understand that it takes the best stocks to get rich. You can't get rich, you can't make a lot of money just trading random stocks. So leave a comment underneath this video. Do you even want to get rich? Because this is a very important question. I know most people will be like, yeah, of course, Tim, I want to get rich. I'm listening to your, dumbass. Like, yeah, that's nice to say that you want to get rich, but it's another thing to actually believe it. It's another thing to actually type it. So I want you to A, say it, B, believe it, and C, type it. Post a little comment just below this video. Say, yes, I want to be rich. And the more times that you say that, say it when you wake up, out of bed every morning. I know it might sound weird, like depending on who's next to you, just be like, yes, I want to get rich. And they'll be like, what? The more times you say it, you start manifesting it and you start doing the things that are required to actually get rich. I know it's silly, I know it sounds simplistic, but trust me, it works. I've been teaching now for 10 plus years. You would be surprised at the things that work the best for students. I don't think there's anybody in the world who talks to more traders or upcoming traders than I do. So take it and use it. So in order to get rich, you do need the best stocks. How do you weed out all the bad stocks? There's thousands of stocks. How do you focus? Number 1, use StocksToTrade. I'm gonna post a link just below this video. Using StocksToTrade, which is software that has put together all of these different news sources, charts, information. I mean, it's so necessary. Before StocksToTrade, I used to look at 20, 30, sometimes 40 freaking websites just for all the information. So you need to have the information at your fingertips. Number 2, know which indicators matter the most. Like technical analysis is your best friend with low price stocks, okay? Buying breakouts, buying at support near, former support levels. Look back 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. Look at different time frames and see where potential support and resistance levels are. Number 3, you have to look at the fundamentals. And I'm not saying that there's going to be many fundamentals with these low price stocks and penny stocks, because frankly, they might have 1 or 2 products, very little in the way of revenues, probably some big losses, not much in the way of profits, not much in the way of cash, but at least look at it and start doing some research. Get used to understanding, what is their profits doing year to year? What are their margins? Are revenues growing or shrinking? Do they have new products on the horizon? So it's not just purely technical. I like to use technical and fundamental. If you want a guide to study my trader checklist guide. That goes over all the indicators. But between technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and using StocksToTrade, that's fantastic. Number 4, you really have to look at all the biggest percent gainers every single day. This is on StocksToTrade, it's part of it, but this is its own bullet just because it's so important. This is what I focus on, not the biggest percent losers, not random stocks with random stories, the biggest percent gainers. Stocks that are spiking 20%, 30%, 50%, 100% in one day. Those are the stocks that have a tendency to be the most predictable on day 2, day 3, day 4 of whatever run up they're having. And number 5, how do you find the best stocks? You study the past. I know you don't want to hear this. I know you don't want to go through my 6,000 video lessons or my 100+ hours of guides, but trust me, it is crucial. All of my top millionaire students had one thing in common. They were so dedicated in their studies and they utilized their knowledge of the past, their knowledge of the patterns, their dedication to creating the life that they want. That's what it comes down to. You're not going to make millions of dollars if you don't study the past, if you don't truly want it. If you just want to follow other people's picks, if you think that getting rich involves following hot alerts, trust me, you're sorely mistaken. So study the past. I don't make all these video lessons and guides and DVDs for the fun of it. I don't just like talking. I want to help you. Remember, I did all this on my own. I didn't have a teacher, so I'm trying to be the teacher to you that I never had. And I'm trying to give you the tools that I never had to speed up your learning curve. I know you might not think think a video lesson from 5 or 6 years ago is, applicable, it'd be like, Tim, I don't care about this. Trust me, the patterns repeat. The cool thing is this game is not rocket science, so a pattern that happened in 2012 or 2014 could easily happen again. Sadly, too many people don't study the past, so they're unprepared if it happens again. They don't know that it happens again. I can't tell you how many people I see in the chat room being like, I've never seen anything like this. This is crazy. Yes, you have. You just haven't studied. So don't be unprepared like too many people. Use the links just below. I'm going to link Stocks to Trade. Use it every single day. There's 40 plus scans built in. That will help narrow down the thousands of stocks to only the best stocks. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.